The error has appeared on the display of the mini-split air conditioner. Sometimes it shows 16 and sometimes it shows 6. I will now explain in detail why this error occurs and what its causes are. The number 6 is the actual error code, while 16 is the set temperature displayed on the unit. Right now you can see that I have turned off both units. When the unit receives a high voltage supply, it can display error 6. Since the error 6 is currently appearing, I have turned off the electricity to protect the unit from further damage. However, this error can be either temporary or permanent. Let me first explain the temporary cause. If the voltage suddenly rises above 250 to 260 volts, the unit will immediately shut down and start displaying error 6 on the display. This can be a temporary error, meaning that no actual damage has occurred to the PCB or any other components. Once the voltage stabilizes to a normal level, the error will automatically disappear, and the unit will function normally again. Now, I will explain the permanent cause of this error. If you turn on the unit and error 6 is displayed permanently on the unit's display and does not disappear, it could be due to a serious issue. When high voltage enters the unit, both the indoor and outdoor PCBs have built-in protections to handle voltage spikes. These protections are designed to burn out first to prevent further damage to the main PCB components. If these protection components are damaged, the unit will permanently display error 6 and will not function properly. To fix this issue, the PCB needs to be repaired. Once the faulty components on the PCB are repaired or replaced, the error will be removed from the display, and the unit will start working again. Now, error 19 is appearing on the unit's display. You can see that sometimes it shows 16 degrees as the set temperature, and other times it displays error 19. Now, I will explain what error 19 means and why it occurs. Since this error is related to the outdoor unit, we will now check the outdoor side to diagnose the issue properly. I have completely removed the cover, and now you can see the fan and the outdoor PCB. This is the main outdoor PCB, and in technical terms, we refer to error 19 as an outdoor main PCB drive error. This error occurs when the outdoor unit's compressor does not start or does not run. When this happens, the unit will display error 19. Possible causes of error 19. The outdoor PCB is highly efficient and designed to display separate error codes for different faults. However, sometimes the actual fault is in one component, but the unit may display a different error code. If the IPM is faulty or shorted, it usually has a separate error code, but in some cases, the system fails to detect the IPM fault properly and still shows error 19 instead. However, the unit can also show a specific IPM error code if the fault is accurately detected. If any wire is cut, either due to heat damage or if it gets disconnected, the unit will still display error 19. This could be due to burnt, loose, or broken wires in the outdoor unit's PCB or compressor circuit. Now let's continue diagnosing further to pinpoint the exact cause of this error. If the connector in the outdoor unit becomes loose, the unit may lose proper electrical contact, leading to error 19. If there is rust on the connector pins, it can cause a weak connection, triggering the error. Sometimes, the compressor terminals get extremely hot due to overheating or poor contact. If a terminal breaks off or burns out, the compressor will fail to run, and the unit will display error 19. A shorted compressor can also cause this error. If the compressor is jammed, mechanically stuck, it will not start, and the system will register error 19. This happens when the internal parts of the compressor seize up, preventing proper rotation. This system is quite efficient in detecting faults. If you identify and fix these possible issues, the unit will return to working condition. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.